Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will help you get a cotton candy girl garden. First, select an ideal location for your garden. A spot receiving at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day is crucial for most flowering plants. Next, choose plants known for their soft, pastel hues and delicate, airy textures to achieve that signature cotton candy aesthetic. Finally, prepare your soil by ensuring excellent drainage. Now, let's get those plants in the ground. Dig planting holes that are twice as wide as your plant's root ball, but only as deep. This gives roots ample space to spread. Gently loosen any circling roots before placing the plant. Remember to space your plants correctly, following package instructions, to ensure good air circulation and prevent overcrowding as they grow.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding these gardening tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more content. And on another note, why not bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker? It's perfect for playing your favorite tunes while you garden. Check the description below for a link and other fantastic deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Consistent care is key to a thriving cotton candy garden. Water new plants deeply 2 to 3 times each week until they are well established. Once established, adjust watering based on rainfall and soil moisture. Feed your plants with a balanced, slow-release fertilizer about once a month during their active growing season. Also, prune spent blooms regularly to encourage more flowers. To truly achieve that cotton candy aesthetic, focus on visual harmony. Group plants with similar soft colors and delicate textures together to create a cohesive, dreamy look. Incorporate plants with airy foliage, such as certain ornamental grasses, to add lightness and movement. Finally, consider using light-colored mulch or small stones to complement the pastel theme and suppress weeds.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.